need to be honest, are you scared of heights?
It hasn't stopped raining since like last night, and we're about to go on like a jet boat or something to Niagara, so we're already wet, and we're about to get even like wetter. Is wetter a word?
Wetter? No.
Wetter.
Wetter.
No.
No? How would you say it?
More wet?
Anyway, it's about to get even more wet. So we made it to the thing, right? And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? There's sailboats everywhere. Look at them. And there's a lot in the water. I love sailboats. What are you about to do? Get on the bus. It's fuck when chase a boat.
Remember, all we did was care for each other, but the night was warm. We were both.
You never said.
Ready?
Yes.
Ready? Y'all ready?
I don't know.
Yeah, this hoe is pretty legit. It's like stacked with speakers. I'm ready for this. Dad. Update, I am no longer dry. I couldn't video that part because they would have ripped my phone out of my hand, but it was pretty legit. We just went down the rapids I just showed you.
We're about to go again.
I think we're doing it again.
Waves roll over, and the nights are long, longing for you to come home. All around, the wind blows, we would only hold on to let go. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Focus, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on.
Jesus, there are like so many like places that are, it's like so beautiful, and there's so many like different like people from everywhere. It's really weird. It's like I'm back in Europe again. I always love little shops like this. They're so fun. This is amazing.
Yeah, they don't want them there. They don't.
Are you going inside? Of course not. So just got done with the wine tasting with my parents. Caught myself a $8 bottle of wine. Feeling good. God, this is awesome. The view here is just phenomenal. Damn. I could do this every day.
Which one did you?
Whiskey tasting with the old man.
Viagra.
No, Michaela, not Viagra.
Oh.
Wrong thing.
Hey, look, there's Trevor.
Okay, I think I found one of my favorite places in the city. Huh. It's a hell of a view.
Flowers up there, beautiful.
Now, can you move your running? A ball ass head. That's nice. I love that. Mom and Dad, the girls are up there. They're about to zip line, and I'm sitting here on the sidewalk by Niagara Falls. And I don't know, just waiting for them. But honestly, there's not much else we're gonna be doing tonight. I think we're just gonna be going to eat and just going back and just going to bed. So I think I'm just gonna end the video here. Thanks to you guys for watching and keeping up with my week. See you next video.